But sir, who gave you the effrontery to say that we can't go to the water body to perform ritual? Who does that? Who does that, sir? Kedi ye melogi, kedi onye gwara gị kwuo okwu a. Ilof go non na ka ebo nyala Anambra State. Obu no nwere oge ya agwa gị asọkata eze anya bụrụ nkata n'iru gị okwu. Sa ikwuala ọnụ. Ikwuala ọnụ nke bụ eziokwu. Ikwuala ọnụ adị m ekwu ife mma mmenwu. Onwe isi na nwoke adọrọbe m bịa. Ife niile gị na-eso bịa dadị mma agbalụ na afa gwa gị ife na-eme na ndụ gị ị na-agbanwe mmadụ. Mma agbanwe nkwu gị ka o yesi mechi ma nke megolo eme ị na-agbara mmadụ. O mere etu akpụrụ mkpuchi akpụrụ mgbagbuo m. Mana sị isi na o nwere ife bụ omenala ịtụrụ asị. Ọ maka na eji gba nkịtị unu dala okwu alụsị dị iche iche a na-akụtusi agba nkịtị. Alụsị dị n'isi ọfịa be nna gị akụtuche na ya agba nkịtị. Ọlụlụ eke kwuru ọbụ na-eme gị ife akaja agba nkịtị. So anyị continue like this anyị nwa ibido kụtụkwuru na ụka ọ ya adịghị mma. With due respect sir, ngị wa bụ nna Anambra State idema anyị ka nna. 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 Onwe onye ejidelu. Onwe onye ejidelu. Onwe onye ejidelu ji mmadụ ma ọ bụ paatị mmadụ wee melụ na ọ na-agbalụ mmadụ ọgụ sa kpoli akpuchie. Ọ bụrụ omenala Igbo kpoli akpuchie. Mana adịkwa ama amasa ịda atụ na o nwere ife bụ odechi na adị eno mkpue no bịa sa ka nye gị ka ife na ọdị. Mana ọ bụrụ nke bụ eziokwu, with due respect, sir, saying that we should stop going to the rivers for sacrifice. I am telling you, I will give you the date that I will be in the rivers. I will show it on camera. Tell you where you can come and arrest me because you cannot stop me from doing water ritual. I am a DB. I don't have any other fear to tell you this, sir. With due respect, what do you say? We the DBs are advocating for a peaceful and serene environment whereby people will not bring plastic to block our waterways. I've advocated for that in several of my videos, but saying that water ritual should stop is a lie. You can't stop it, sir, with due respect. But I lawyer section 38, I bind you to that. You don't have any right to say. Before you became a governor, you are an Igbo man. Open your mouth. Before you blow Igbo, before you blow Anambra State, Igbo. If I'm not going to go see, I am not trying to million. Net to be I am about to be number. There was no difference about people. Saying that we should stop going to the water for rituals is like telling us that part of the existence of Igbo should be destroyed. And sir, who gave you the effrontery to say that Anambra is a Christian state? Kedu mbosi nke abidon? Onye gwara gị kwuo okwu a? Onye gwara gị kwuo dịka okwu a? Onye si amama gwara ịmakwa n'ife ikwu bụ isi. Sir, I can prove it to you. Mkpoje gị court ije nga maka okwu a kwuru. Yes. Why? Because you infringe our right by virtue of section 38. Our right to freedom of worship. You impose the mode of worship on us. Ihe agenda maka okwu aikwu, ọ bụ na ị mara ọsị jụọ ese. Samaludo okwu ị na-ekwu, ihe ọ bụ na anyị na-ekwu according to constitution. If ọ bụ na ịchọ ekwu, anyị na-ekwu according to constitution. Sir, Bukana section 38 Nigerian constitution. By virtue of that, an Igbo can honor the embodiment of the country called Nigeria. Yes. Because if not, you are still the elected governor serving under the Nigerian government. So are you saying that section 38 of the federal constitution is no longer working in Anambra State? Instead of their work, a court of appeal, a Supreme Court, you can't stop no other person in procedure and milli. I too have no lose or man stop wire. If you are a governor ruling in a state where tradition is part of their norms, you create a way a jina charge lose. Chola ebuso palitona Anambra lola ife jina charge eba. Tinyendi bu CDB eba ka jina ebupu diaja at intervals. You can't stop us from each other. You can't win this in court. Let us go to court. And I pity whomsoever that is the Chief Justice, whomsoever that is the Speaker that approved this, whomsoever that is the lawmaker that was there in the panel and approved this thing. You people are a bunch of disgrace to the Constitution. Unamara Constitution non ime. Unamara Constitution. If all you are saying is about we should stop doing evil practices, mandina golundi bi ndina golundi ndi orio nnam imonyi ina suspect na golundi orio bụ bịa ka nwere afa gbagi na onye na golundi orio bụ je kpoli akpochie ma na onye ori ka ọ bụ maka onye ọbụla na golundi orio bụ onye ori mana ọ bụ na i generalize na ife board na na ya akwụsị ime. We do respect I memory not under my watch. Ọ bụ na ndị ọzọ ama ngwa gị mma agwa gị eziokwu, ọ bụ na ọmụ ka ị chọọ ịkpọ bịa na ndụ bịa kpọrọ m. Ilu na nkwọ na ndụ sị na achọ maazị dibịa bịa kpọrọ m sa. With due respect sa, ịdara ada okwu. Ọ bụla etu a ịkpọba ndị dibịa na-achụ aja, sị kwụsị ndị pastors na-eme bazaar, it is a ritual. kwụsị ndị na-celebrate Christmas is a ritual, kwụsị ndị na-celebrate Easter is a ritual, kwụsị ndị na-eme Halloween is a ritual, kwụsị ndị na-eme anything that is a ritual. Everything is classified under a ritual. Ndị na-egbu ntụ Ash Wednesday ya gbara ọsọ, ndị na-apụsisi microphone na-eme noise every Sunday anyị ekwuru okwu. Kedu onye gwara gị kwuo okwu a? Onye gwara gị kwuo ụdịka ihe? Onye gwara gị kwuo ụdịka ife asa? Antị nda onye na-edu ndu na o nwere na-anọ na-akụ na-atụrụ ya alụ, ndị anọ gị na-akụ na-agwakwa gị eziokwu. Onye ọbụla ijiri human pass n'aka ya, welu katapila ya nye enu, let him waste. Gbagwe by firing squad, whichever way you win it that way. Put the person to jail. Ọ bụrụ ọdịnala. Onye ọbụla megidere ọdịnala welu ndụ mmadụ wee mee ya bụ onye ori, ọ bụ onye aka ọbara, gbuo. Take him to court whichever way, jail him whichever way. I'm not looking at the 6 years or be 20 years, 20 million and 6 years jail. Make it 600 years in jail. On consider those we are. When I start saying that thing Mela Indi should stop. Nice Soludo, I say kobo. And I will tell you why it's Bologna menan. Number one, Ekavan Keka Yanachi Sofia. Why in Arabuja Jibili? Sing a bozo ni Sofia. Ekan can why you Bunatagi Sofia Macagini, or Menani, win a woman. One word the other. I'm asking a woman made a woman. One way or the other. I'm going to Maranya. You still try. And that I can answer Soludo on your Sofia. You can't stop us no more than I just not in a million. Can you also say me and create waterways? Create yes, okay. Bring all that alternative be a singular was Isa. They one day say more than Nana. Nandiana block like waterway. Check my videos with evidence. I've castigated those that are practicing such nonsense. Nineji Fanta, Nineji rubber, Nineji plastic bottle, Nineji Senepas, and Jenana Bible. But anything that is decayable to nature, anything that decomposes to nature, if an Ajani will etibu mother. Sincerely, and did that on Ajani will etibu mother. They can go see Najani will etibu mother carefully. Because I love what you say. This is anything the mother know you not prove for evidence. So we don't want the person in one Nigeria. We don't want that person in one Anambra. Only one Anambra state should go to jail. Any one million on Agoya should be jailed too. Only one Oliver in on Agoya should be jailed. Ninele Sacramento should be jailed. Sign if yes. You could actually see one my phone. And with adoration ministry in Anambra Nele Sacramento, see Bulu Habochi, see Kusile Sacramento, because Nedge Chapel that block Chala easy. Asokatez and Sibun Katani Rugio. Now you alone, with due respect, sir. I put it to you, need wrong, no why you. Yeah, you could not to like at one day than Ananya. Why not modify him? Yes, only for you need a troop in Anambra. Let any pastor prove no live in Agoya. Let them prove not the scientifically proven non Agoya. Kadibia prove on Amologonia and Agoya. It like I see me. With due respect, sir, I don't know your Balugala. None of Balugala and Aklugis together. Nepweg ne won't teach. Nepweg Nekada don't go so good. Nepweg came and go find your minister. With due respect, sir. I'm not my Balgaluji no go and Edalado. Edalado, Muamma City, Anamata Anambra, Nabenam. And my bit and the Majan as a one you could Milanos in Gemodo, may charge a bass, Sabia Brumbuchi, I just got to pay a bed. Simple and short. And the man of life on Facebook, what that in a major, Sibia Brumbuchi, stand you watch Fabia Brumbuchi, I just got to pay back. Even William, Madame Bewogi, apologize to the whole public that you are wrong. Section 38, right to the freedom of worship. I'm not trying to interpret right to the freedom of worship. Nchesi aja. Don't you know it's a ritual also? Don't you know it's a ritual? Yes. Morning to night. All the one you want to go to Rio I'm not in support of evil. Mazibia, I don't want to know. I didn't make Mano Kanja, I don't when I'm shopping for Angafia. Nice Soludo sauce or come here. It's a nice if I can go for Kimamo Yele. If one more fifth from Batal Gaffa, what go fifth and America can go to Waller or Blumpuchi, Manole apologize on camera. Nice Soludo, Amarameto Logala, Manuba, you alone. As the custodian of the ancestors, I have the right to tell you this. When it comes to ordinary Medibia, Ibo Fekenya, when you feel Manimia, Omoya Kusilinka, I bet a governorship, you can tell me I'm not a governor. But when it comes to telling you as a governor, we elected you to office, I'm a right. So with due respect, sir, in my field, you told me as a leader that I have nothing to offer. It's a direct insult to my personality. Soludo, let me tell you my academic background. I'm a triple certified engineer with several certifications. I don't come sure no one know your aid come where Jawa. It's a itinerary kind of Sakago is your Idalado. With due respect, sir, Idalado. Idalado Punam. Idalado. If you've said, let all the people that are doing anything that is, including those people claiming to be SMI, I expected you to call on some of the senior DBS so that we issue them licenses. Anybody that want a license, give them routine that they can get their licenses. Give them time frame. Say 6 months. Anybody that will get this license, you pass this criteria. You institute. Yes, you won't take government. I check checkmate other DBS. It might not be me. Check other DBS. Let them checkmate other DBS. It is their job to checkmate. Checkmate Anambra. I just want to workers on the pastor. Let me pray for you. Nice Soludo, if I have a frontal attack, I put it to you, made the wrong. If I can make the knack with selling sitting in a neighbor, each and every cage, when each other don't know so good. Or if I can make the Kulio Lake or block Ulunesi, or we suffer and co. I've seen that in Super, Ikulichania or Balulu. If one get in a lock, okay, no. I was able to mazi. When I need I go to go Jabike. Nice Ludi Dalado, and I put it to you need the very wrong another statement. On one day, what key the teenage human pass, Mulia Buchi. On not ordinary key the come, Mary Fedi no key. Raponia, no man and Yakome. Yes, Kaiti here to her. Open a mother to your parts and Madutino no key. Open mother. Happy no man. On your was the order Yama, other Yama. I don't think Madu. Don't stop the person. The person never went right teacher to jail. We can tell you that sacrament and another is against our own human right. I put Bukem Ka or Blozo. The way you see Okite as evil, the way we see sacrament as evil. Have we protested? Did your hands Zubrunanya? Who feel threatened? But who want to actual day? You think we don't feel threatened, sir? Did you actually Naka? You people feel threatened. But who need to tablet Naka gas steady? You are a Catholic, sir. Go and make you. Before I walk at Lomado, no the Jinji, Kadoka, so it Nice Soludo, Amara told Gala, and I have told Gala now, if he can. It's not Jani Buegu. You started very well in that statement, but you failed woefully at the end. The statement that still giving me sleepless nights is the effrontery you had to say that Anambra is a Christian state. How then can you say this in a country that is functioning? I am the justice in Nigeria. You are a joke. You need justice in Anambra. A governor came out in the open and said that Anambra is a Christian state. Who now filed a litigation against him? How can you say that Anambra is a Christian state against Section 38 of the Constitution? You threatened my spiritual system. You threatened my spiritual system against my own human right of Section 38. You think I'm a my brother, you are a father to every Anambra state. And in every Anambrarian. When in a mendo de Nanakayasna, Yaguapa. One of my Yazwapa. It's not work out by test and see. Test and see. Test and see. Okay, now based on what they will get from you. You are the elected governor of Anambra state. Before you ever became a governor, I'm a governor. After your turn, I can name more than a governor. Stop saying this thing, not a isn't it if you want us to combat crime, give us security. We will personally chase Anambra, chase every criminal out of Anambra state. But what am I telling you, sir? You cannot tell us otherwise. In our own state, in our own house, Makana, all the knock even on the Eben name or Obunago, same number Jonga. Kaijek may you become like yes, Ibum Kafo. Ordinary Section 38 days we get to Ganga with due respect, sir. Negenanga. Okay, go because I just Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Is the Section 38 of Nigeria valid by law? Yes. Nice Soludo, Mary for Barobunago. It was Marobunago, he's Virgin Maria and Mary. Nana Jesu. These are your own deities and pantheons. These are my own pantheons and deity. Mine is even indigenous. Yours came from a foreigner, an invader, who brought his own idol to your land. But ours is an indigenous heritage and core values. So when you see me pouring libation to my ancestors, na Soludo onye bu aja pụta na main road n'Awka. It is an eyesore. I repeat, onye bu aja pụta na express Awka ka ọ chụọ aja. It's an eyesore. Sipụrụ ya kpochie. Balabala felo ka ọbụla ala. I repeat, balabala felo ka ọbụla ala. When as I speak to you, I said it some time ago. Why don't we get people whose job is to bupu aja? Other countries now so that they will say things in truth. Form an institution with us, Dibia. Location. If we pay every Dibia, because one way or the other, you've used the services of a Dibia. One way or the other. One way or the other. One way or the other. So with due respect, sir, I'm begging you, sir, that I, as Libya, will not stop doing sacrifices. I'm going to show pause. I'm going to pause on Bangafia. So I can now. If you can go, you put it on Nando, Nando, Jomambala, no, even Nando Gidiotolodi, Yakaji Kalesia, Bologna Kaiji Bolese, Bianando, Yanaya Gaya Bogia. Test and see that Nando is great. Test and see that Nana is good. So with due respect, sir, I'm begging you. There is no governor of Northern man. Our neighboring countries cannot say this. The Oduduwas cannot say this. Since you believe when there's a protest, no one should say anything. I put it to you, sir. I'm not going to say, I'm not going to give you now. What I got, I'm not talking about for the key. Can do can be checked. On your name will keep the Bulubochi. If I have pass, Nimo Kitty, Bulubochi. Open the frogman pass, Rapia. Omen and a comment. Because if you feel threatened with Okite, Mobino Nagol, it's no yori, or see no Yagolia Budia. Jabba Dibia Golio, Buliabochi, or no Nagolo Yogo. Ogolio Deshi. After only a joke, you go Father Buchi. Oh, no, no, evidence. Nadia Bolly, Oboji, Suri. Bulonia Buchi. Oh, let one, no, no, Camena fan, the family, so Anatoli Wejabori. You go Father Buchi, go Bishop Buchi, go Abish Buchi. Cathedral in Alotan on the Jewelry Mel Factory, man, by Adema. If from Kaki, no, Arabna, Modobuki, Daki, oh, no, not Galana, Baguas, or Mamenata. With due respect, sir, you and your team need to sit down and review that law. Many are called them manager. If not, more boni is only a bush because I'll air it on camera and I'll invite you. Coming next week, man, Anambra, me paro bunago. Sir. I mean it and I tell you every word. Me paro bunago, me charge and me. It is my culture. Section 38 in defending you can't do nothing about it, sir. With due respect. Obleto, I'm going to no kasi Catholic mag. Now in Guan, look if I didn't we become zero religious people, zero spiritual people. With due respect, sir, if I can't the other one, someone up by a Tianese, Aquaki Genti, Malifana, Mobile Naguna go Kusa, and I'm not looking at what I bagaze you. Muyaji with Ada Mama, Zende Maracabia, Nando, more Mazidi and Natananda, didn't do part of Nago. Before the part of Nagu may boost a charge and a million day to be Kenefa, but I'm moving on Bokifri and Anaba, Sana Bagama Tologas. Nasasi is Ranas, Nandumane more than I pussy generally. Sa if I'm country plastic generally Blumbochi. If I'm country Fantana, we memory Blumbochi. If I'm country Chita, you open up this polythene that will brought the waterways Blumbochi. Some open from country Bulo is generally, Walunzu no generally. Sai Blumbochi, Munagi, a Supreme Court. Munagi, and then get boogie. Simple and short, and I didn't go like more yet. Some of my workers in a messing door, and I find a nigger. Who even told you to say that Anambra is a Christian state? Christianity is barely 187 years in Anibo. Or that was your third generation was not a Christian. Quote me, sir. You are third generation, we are never Christians. Echekiba faga abru Soludo, onye bu Soluda. Nna ya maro ifa boka. Wambafo, you know, laugh again, Wambafo. I'm looking for self. It's in Hebron banana. It's born with Nasi. On your Banacologa and our Gabon. Ijel Mbakaliana Mobulacho or Bulungo Mazi and my Yogisa. We do respect His Excellency, Governor Charles Chukuma Soludo. On your Nato Gala, Balogo Wasi. review that bill apasly. Let that bill be anything with human parts or anybody may profess just like your pastors and priests may profess. Pastors not on the camera, some miracle alert in Jesus' name. Crossing over on the 31st of December. If I'm pastors in the blue, you will go aboche. Manon did that. With due respect, sir. With due respect, sir. With due respect, sir. With due respect, sir. 31st of December, many pastors and prophets, we are prophesying Balbadash. None of them fake offensive. Sachukuma Soludo, I put it to you, 3,000 challenge. 3,000 human beings that I know nothing from. Let them stand in the line. I will tell 3,000 of them their problems without error. But a pastor gave me come for 3,000. Follow a line. From A to Z. What a pastor gave me a kaifo. Can do an the pastor where challenge. What a father gave me 3,000. On not really easy, able to ordinana. Makanine a joker. And you proudly said it on camera that Anambra is a Christian state. You will alone. Nice Soludo, you will alone. You will give out Ologase. You will alone. I am a god in Anna before I'm walking. I can never god in Anna telling more. On one of a fake. Fake in a Bibia. Fake in a pastor. Fake in an imam. Fake in a Benin. Jena Anambra, bidona pastors, bidona bibias. Only open here for saying on America, or Balatule Nebo Balak, if cannot prove it, but Kine, we are going to put in a lowly voice every Wednesday. And it in adoration, you go about you. With due respect, I go on with this yoke. Only see another Sunday, in my life, I will give you Makanka, Manija Loka. I'm going to post it as you join the Ndoka, we make here convention Ndoka. You join the convention on Ordinana. We have the best brains, Ordinana. Nice Soludo. For you to say that Anambra is a Christian state, I'm not in a country where the rule of law is functioning, he has a good way in a court. And video evidence is video evidence is it's okay to make us on a court. You don't want God. Fake yadros on Adibia. Fake the Makana governors. Fake yadros on Adibia. Fake the Mana governors. African Dubai Taiwan, you will lie in Quadefa. So, can I fake in and catch? Fake in a side, or if you will lie in Quadefa, Sufa. As what you will be on this. So, with due respect, sir, on your own, I say, Tobacca. I say, Tobacca. Fake in Adibia, fake in the pastor, fake in the Kunande governor. Or if you will lie, Bakun Nemelai. Defend the citizens of Anambra State as your own, without prejudice. Defend us as your own, without prejudice. Defend us outrightly. Because we the citizens have the right to outpost. Nobody feel like back in MLI. We can say that. And defend there on camera. So, with due respect, sir, the word is enough for the wise. Review that bill, pass it. May that bill go de, go to turn up, no me to tendoka. To tend ordinana, to mandena church. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Nobody can stop me from him ordinana. Even the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria cannot stop us him ordinana. Not you, our governor, our own father of our state. Liado, Kedouan Kachifo.